Welcome to Learn with Amine. These past few days I have been receiving a lot of messages from the applicants or students who have applied to Hamad Bin Khalifa University that they are unable to pay the application fee to HBKU or Qatar Foundation bank account because the bank in their countries are refusing to transfer the amount of money in Qatari riyals, and they are interested to send the money only in US dollar account, and that the publicly shared QF account on the QF website or Hamad Bin Khalifa University website is a Qatari account, and the banks in your resident country are unable to transfer the money in US dollars to that particular account. And also I have recommended the students to reach out to Hamad Bin Khalifa University for their help to be able to pay the application fee before the deadline of February 2. Now, if the university is going to respond you, they are going to respond you with two options. One option is they will be able to give you a USD account in which you can transfer the amount of money for the application fee in US dollars. That is the first option. And the second option HBKU has come up with is providing you with an online link where you can pay the money using your international debit card online, so you would not have to go to the bank. In the option 2, bank to bank transfer is not required. You can directly pay online through the link that is provided to you by HBKU. So it will be a personalized link. You can enter the debit card details that has been activated for the international transactions, and voila, your fee will be paid. Now, in the case that you reach to the HBKU University and do not hear back, and since the application is approaching very fast, I decided to make this video. Okay, now I would recommend you to first reach out to HBKU University because they are the official means and the official source for this kind of information, and I am just an alumni who is trying to help my juniors to make the payment to get admitted and to get scholarship in HBKU. Okay, there is no other motive for this. I'm just trying to help my juniors secure an admission. Now, if the university is not able to respond to thousands of applicants in time, then this is the video for you. So let's get started. One of the subscribers, she shared this information, so I can share this information with other peers or other applicants who are applying at the same time as her. So thanks to her that I'm able to share this option 1. So in option 1, so when you contact to HBKU that you have a payment issue in the application fee, that you are not able to make the payment, then they will be providing you with a USD account of QF. QF is Qatar Foundation, which is a parent company of Hamad Bin Khalifa University. So as you are finding it difficulty, so what it says is, so it's from the finance department of QF. As you are finding difficulty to transfer the amount in Qatari riyals, you may try to transfer it to QF USD account. Please find the attached information for Qatar Foundation USD account details for transferring the application fee. The amount is 250 riyals for the application fee for most of the college. For the College of Law, I think it is very different. So I have already made a video on the application fee, so you can verify the amounts for your specific college. Now this video is just for the information of the USD QF account. Now please mention the student and the payment details or purpose in the transfer remarks to help us identify the payment. Additionally, share the payment details with us so we can record it in our system accurately. The amount we should receive is 250 riyals. Any intermediate charges need to be paid by the payer, so you need to talk to your bank that you want to pay all the processing fee, and the final amount of money that is reached at the destination is 250 riyals. and they can send in US dollars, and the US dollars amount you can assume it to be $68.5, which is equivalent to 250 riyals at the rate of 3.6502. okay, and always consult with your bank also to have appropriate conversion rate in order to receive 250 riyals into QF HBKU account, excluding any other charges. Okay, so this is the email. After you email to the HBKU, they are going to reply you back with this. So this is option 1. Now if you prefer option 2, which is the payment online through an international debit card, which is activated for international transactions, so you can wait for the response from HBKU. But if you are missing the deadline and if you want to make the payment, then you can follow this account. This is the QF HBKU US dollars account. Okay, now this is the account reference letter. Okay, it says reference COR 24299, and this is actually the date, and to whom it may concern. This is to certify. So this is actually the account information that they have taken. So exactly what you need to communicate to your bank when you are transferring the money from your country to Qatar Foundation or HBKU bank account in US dollars is the following: the company name or the beneficiary is Qatar Foundation. If CR number is ours, it is 100000000. How many zeros? 1 4 7 8 9. So it is 1 followed by 9 zeros. Okay, let me zoom in again. 71663, and the company address is for Education Science Community Dev, PO Box 5825DO. The bank SWIFT code is QNB AQA QAXXX. That is the bank SWIFT code, and the bank address is PO Box 1000 Doha, Qatar. Okay, and now what is the account number? The account number is 001 303 5555061, and the date account opened was 2006, and the account currency, as you can see, this is the US dollar account. Okay, and the IBAN number is QA22 QNBA followed by many zeros. Let me count how many: 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So this is 10 zeros. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, 10 zeros. So that is QA22 QNBA followed by 10 zeros followed by 1303 5555061. So this is the IBAN number, and this is the USD account of HBKU Qatar Foundation, and it was shared to me by one of the subscribers. I would really appreciate if someone who has already sent and received this information attest to this information through the YouTube comments below. It will help other students as well, so you can send the money to this bank account in US dollars from your resident country bank. I hope this video has been helpful, and I'm sure that I have helped students in this application season. Thank you so much for your love and support. Take care and bye bye.